Hello, my name is Renee Latham. I've been an appraiser for over 44 years. Mortgage banking, mortgage broker, real estate broker, appraiser, trainer, real estate school instructor, and a few other things. The one that I remember the most is they used a tree as a post. And so they cut it up top, and then they just set the roof over. I mean, really. Oh my God, I went inside and there's the truck right there. What buyer would want to come and buy a house like that? The buyer went into the bathtub to take a bath, and the bathtub fell right through the floor. And yeah, I mean, you know, it's that was very funny. Yeah, no, I couldn't say that one. I mean, there were pictures. This owner didn't want us to go in that room. And so finally, you know, we convinced him, hey, we have to, okay? He says, yeah, but you can't take any pictures. Well, that's gonna be a problem, right? And so my daughter says, well, let's just look at it anyway. And so we went in, and there were penis on the walls. No, I'm serious. I mean, we just about died, you know. I mean, it was like, oh no. We took pictures of the floor. It was crazy. Never seen anything like that. I guess another memorable one would be, walked in, and the next thing I know is my legs were covered with fleas. Fleas all over. I'll never forget that one. The one with the penis, though, was the most interesting one. So, yeah, so I don't know. Which one do you think? My tip to my colleagues would be to be dedicated to the profession, and to have a commitment that goes beyond what somebody wants you to do. It's what you know you must do as a professional, and create the credibility with not only with your clients, but also with your colleagues.